Like, killer okay with that.
Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide,
Come.
ain't no one around
Yeah.
to.
Hey, you are doing great. Guzuru. Loving, quack, super. Come and take. Nice.
I can help you out. I can help you out.
Hey guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, your favorite Odoziako, back again. My name is Ijoma. If you're stopping by for the first time, and don't make it your last by hitting the subscribe button, okay, and turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And today is Monday. It is a beautiful day and I have a lot of activities to attend. As always, today all activities is centered around my kids, so I am taking you along with me. Let me show you what my Monday looks like. Today is different from the other Monday, but from now onwards it's likely going to be the same, but from the previous Monday, from the past Mondays, it's very different because something else came in, like another activity came in, and it will continue like that from now till next year, or next year every school week. So let's get it started. Come with me, and I hope you enjoy this vlog, and if you do, please don't forget to smash the like button, turn on and subscribe and comment. And subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like I always say, please help my ministry grow. Let's keep this ministry moving, okay? I make really good videos. most schools in Zürich, Switzerland have been on 2 weeks break. As you can see, Namdi's behind me, and most schools in Switzerland have been on break since 2 weeks now. So today is the first Monday and I'm on my way. I'm taking Namdi to school. Namdi, good morning. Good morning. That's his vendor. So let me show you. It's still early in the morning though, so it's not so bright. Forgive the lightning. It gets better by the day, hopefully, actually. Anyway, let me just show you.
You are the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us?
Whoa.
If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Fall is coming in its full glory. See those colors, see those colors. I mean, fall is a beautiful time. It's really getting cold. Actually, my hands are freezing. So maybe in no distant time we'll start wearing hand gloves. Actually, some people are already wearing theirs, but maybe I can just pardon myself today or indulge today a little. Let me go to the beach. Okay, let's go to school. It's not really far, like 10 minutes walk from where we stay. Away. School, let me play. That is fall in its full glory. Ooh la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la.
But it doesn't mean I lost my styling. Where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound.
Have a great day in school. We'll hug your brother. Come and hug Zubi. Zubi, say a ciao. Say ciao. Say ciao, Zubi. He's not having it. Well, bye-bye. Be good. That's their classroom there. Right. And that's the moon of the Hey guys, I just dropped Namdi off from school and now we are on to the rest of the day's activities. Currently on my way home. Let's take a look at the view in front of us. Oh, see those beautiful colors. Now that is fall in its full glory. That is fall in its glory. Hey guys, so I just dropped Namdi off at school. Yeah, and I'm looking glammed up. I know I changed. I'm not at school, sorry. I dropped Namdi and Zubi at the childcare section. So now I'm going with Chibugo to her own section. He's kind of crazy. Actually, Namdi is not supposed to be going with Zubi today, but being the first day, I wanted him to stay with Zubi. Then next week he will go for his own course as well. Anyway, Chibugo's own is called Fit for the Kindergarten, meaning that she is now fit to go to kindergarten. It's like a preparatory class before kindergarten. They said the house is here and the kindergarten is up there. So this Fit for the Kindergarten is like a bridge between the house and the kindergarten, because many times children find it difficult to adapt. They can't cope in school. They often So it says children usually cry when they start kindergarten. So they are trying to bridge that gap because sometimes the children, some of them have never been out of their house since they were born, always staying with their parents. So this program is just to bridge that gap, to reduce the gap between the home and the school, so that they'll get accustomed to meeting other people. And of course I'll be staying with her there, so I will also take her along. Anyway, let's say hello to the glory of fall. Whoa, it's bright and colorful. It is a sunny day. Obviously, I don't need to remind you. So that's where we are going to. I don't know if you can see that pastel colored house there. So that's where we are heading. So we are here now. What you about? Of course I have to wear my mask. Don't mind that. I'm here. Chibi, let's go again. And this is Chibi. Mama, say hello. Look. Say hello. Are you excited? Why are you excited? Because what?
Because we're going to kindergarten.
Look here, you're excited because of what? Oh, she's excited to go to kindergarten. Namdi has always teased her that she's still a small girl and can go to kindergarten, so she's really excited. Anyway, we are here now, so I'll go ahead and put on my mask. Yeah. Slide down. Yeah. Go again. Yeah, it's all play. They don't do much in kindergarten. Don't get it twisted. It's not like Nigeria where they tell them to ask, where they ask them questions like, "What is computer?" Yeah, it's all about playing. Anyway, Mama is allowed to have some fun as well. So I can gladly sit here. Yeah. Ah, Tibu, can you see me? Like, can I walk you with that?
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff,
Are you tired? The basket. It is little Chibugo. Who is in the basket? It is little Chibugo. Who is in the basket? It is little Chibugo. Yeah.
Pink.
Mama, that's correct.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Father. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
Mommy, let's try again.
It's finished.
Stor! Moment, muss man wieder umdrehen. Jetzt sag einmal Cassandra, darfst du zwei umdrehen? Was hast du wo? Was ist das? Weißt du, was das ist?
But Chibu, turn another one.
Okay, jetzt hast du noch
Chibu,
eins.
turn also.
Oh, vielleicht hat sie auch eine Raupe.
Oh.
Oh nein, schau. Es ist ein junges Hühnchen.
Nein, Chibu.
Nur zwei. Nur zwei. Jetzt darfst du, Jaima, darfst du?
Anyị agbasago akwụkwọ. Yeah. Anyị agbasago akwụkwọ. School is dismissed, so we are heading home. Should I help you? Labutea. You can bet I love the colors behind you. Yeah, so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Anyway, we have to go pick the others up, the boys. The boys, we have to go get them. They are over there at the daycare. Scooting around. Wow, this is beautiful. This is really, really beautiful. Let me zoom in a little. This is beautiful. Heading home.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down.
By the way, on the other note, yesterday I saw Zubi took his first walk. I saw Zubi take his first walk. I saw Zubi taking his first walk and I put it on camera. I didn't get it the first time. I wasn't with my camera, and the second time I was able to get that. I was just sat at the pillars, just by the side. I was sat here while editing this video. Obviously, anyway, I didn't come out with my tripod because I decided not to, because I find out maybe when I'm vlogging on the way, my hand shakes a lot and the video is not so good. It keeps shaking, which I don't really like. So I am just in the background. Beautiful sky, beautiful vegetation. Beautiful vegetation, beautiful colors of flowers, different shades. Yeah. And there's the sun over there. And that's where we're just coming from. It's so beautiful. Whoa, sorry my love. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Beautiful. Zubi, say mama. Anyway, I just came and I picked them up and now we are heading out. I'm not sure if we're going home now. Did they speak like hi Bobby, say Bobby, say hello. Okay, come on. I also have removed this mask, but I just want to save myself the stress of wearing and putting on back. I don't know, I'm just feeling so happy today. Like, I wouldn't say I just feel good. It should be there. The question is going to 30 on a bag. Yeah, I said I just feel good. Yeah, I know I also feel every day, but today is exceptional. Like, I feel sweet. Maybe that's the better adjective to describe it. I feel sweet. But anyway, that's pretty much the major activities for the day. So the others will be minor things, like the official activities is officially over. Officially. Boom boom. Look here. Zubi lele. Zubi lanya. Lanya lele. Oh yeah, who are you? Who is that? Oh. He said that is Wangenstrasse and Heldenstrasse. Yeah, he got it. Wangenstrasse anyway, but he still got it. See, look at that glow. Like, I just wish it would be this sunny and bright all year long.
What?
Even if it's cold, like I wish it can always be this sunny.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go.
The mask is back on. And the shopping basket there.
I'll never know. Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired.
This is what I came to buy. It's somewhere around there. I have to find it. Yeah, that is what I came to buy. This is kale. Let me add mushroom to it. Okay, life of a mother. Anyway, I don't think it's just peculiar to mothers. I think it's a feature of every living being. Once you, at least human beings, once you enter into the store to buy one thing, you see yourself coming out with baskets filled up. Anyway, that is life. Hey guys, so that is pretty much it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. It's totally free. You've been here before. My young man is crying. Yeah, you've been here before, and you still watch to this very end, so why not just hit us? Please, I didn't just say just. Hit the red subscribe button, and let's keep this ministry moving, and I'll see you all in my next video, okay? For now, bye.